Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto. Today, we're going to talk a little bit more about STARBETS. Yes. So the new event actually started here. The mining competition started. There is 2 million star up for grabs. So as you wager and stuff like that, you will get a piece of this. I don't know how hard it's going to be to get in, but I think they reward up until 200 people if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So it's not going to be that difficult to get at least in the top 200 if I'm not mistaken. So I would highly recommend taking part in this. Then also their daily events. You can see right now BNB started. It's going to be different every day, but on average, this is double rewards. So on average, we should have gotten 2 BNB. If we scroll down, we can check the previous BNB event. You can see it was 2 BNB, but now it ramped up until 5 BNB. So it's a little bit more than double than that. But you can see tomorrow is Bitcoin, and that will be just a double. So on average, it will be double rewards as well, and there's a mining competition. So I would highly recommend taking place or taking part in this if you can at all. The other thing is also there's a spin icon in the top left corner. If you click on that, it will open up this right here. If you click on spin, you will get something random between these 6 right here. So we got flip-flops. So in that theory, we got this amount of ETH. You can roll for free every 8 hours. So I would suggest that you just do that, if anything. I think to have the rolls, you need to be at least rank 2, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. But just take part in everything you can during the event, and you should be golden. This is something I mentioned before, but I'll just mention it again. If you don't want to wager anything and just save up for every event, you'll be doing fine. I'm not going to wait for every event. I'm just wagering in everything I can. So yeah, that is just me. But anyone could do this website completely different and still get a good outcome. I would just not suggest gambling. Gambling, it just doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't matter how much you have or whatever. Like, it just doesn't work. Mining is the absolute best way to take part in StarBets, and I will keep saying that because, yeah, it's just how it is. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for taking time out of your day supporting the channel. If you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like. Subscribe if you are new. And I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next one. Love you, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nibs. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, have a great time.